Has your garage door come off its hinges, causing it to malfunction or become completely inoperative? This common issue can occur if the door is forcibly opened, or if parts become worn out or broken, jeopardizing not only the function of your door, but also your safety. If you're experiencing this problem in the Wollongong area, don't hesitate to take action. Call us now at 0409 774 111 to get your garage door repaired by qualified professionals. We're here to ensure your garage door is secure, functional, and safely back on track. Contact us today and restore the reliability of your garage door.